Let's make the perfect patty melt. I have these two burners on low heat. We're gonna start with some BaconUp bacon grease, and we're gonna get some onions down to caramelize. On those, we're gonna add some garlic powder and a little wash your sister sauce. I'm also gonna add a little bit of our beef rub. We're gonna make some sauce. I'm gonna get some mayonnaise, a little bit of ketchup, mustard, horseradish sauce in, put in a scoop of relish. And now we're just gonna give it a little stir. I have Crow Food Co.'s beef seasoning. We're gonna use our smasher to mash them down, but we're not going for a full smash. We're just trying to make them big like the bread. At this point, I'm gonna get bread toasted up. I'm gonna use a compound butter that's garlic and rosemary. Now we're just gonna get our cheese down. This is Colby Jack. Beautiful toast on that bread. Let's get everything off and get it assembled. Now just add your sauce, your patty, the onions, and I added some fresh pickled jalapenos. I can't wait for that first bite. I can't imagine a better tasting patty melt. Let's eat, y'all.